Hey everybody, welcome. Uncle Drew's Kitchen is in the house tonight. Special treats, we are making Smashburgers. Call your doctor because your macros are going to be out of line after you get a taste of this. So let's get after it. Boom!
Okay, our main star tonight is 1 pound of ground beef. For our mayo mixture recipe, we're going to have mayo, yellow mustard, Worcestershire, smoked chipotle sauce, garlic and onion shredded. We've got bacon as a topper because bacon is good. Cheese. We've got eggs, pickles, tomatoes, and shredded lettuce.
Okay, so tonight, the way to separate your meat evenly. Let's divide that in half because I am only using half of my beef. So I'm going to set half aside. So once I bring in the other half, I'm simply going to pinch it, divide in half again, and then guess what? We divide a half again, and then we come back and we divide in half again. So now I've got 4 equal portions. I'm gonna make some nice round balls out of this. What we can even do is get out our scale if we want to. I am probably gonna trim those down a little bit because the beauty of the smash is they're gonna be a little bit thinner.
So I am going to trim these down a little bit smaller. I'd like them anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 ounces raw. That way when they're cooked, we should be looking between 2 to 3 ounce patties. Let's now place them in the fridge until just before cooking.
I'm more of a righty, so to make sure I get all my garlic juice, okay? Beautiful. Tomato. Make sure your slices are very fine. See how thin that is, okay? Paper thin. Paper thin. Pickles. Who doesn't like pickles? Take away any wilted.
You'll find if you roll your lettuce like a cigar or even a crepe, it's going to be much easier for you to chop and shred. Okay, now that all of our garnishes are prepared, we're going to go ahead with our mayo recipe. Let's add in a few tablespoons of mayo to start. We're going to add in some yellow mustard, some Worcestershire sauce, some smoked chipotle hot sauce for a little bit of extra flavor, and then, of course, our shredded onions and garlic. Be sure to mix generously. That way all the flavors will combine and they're really going to come out when we add this to our Smashburger. Feel free to add a few more drops of hot sauce to satisfy your palate or that of your audience if you can handle a little bit more heat. Be sure to taste it as you go along.
Oh. Now that's got some spice.
When toasting your buns, be sure to start at a low heat to avoid burning them. We just want to see a perfect light golden brown. A couple of turns of salt and pepper. Don't be shy. Now, since we've kept our burgers in the fridge until just before cooking, the cold is going to meet the heat and we should sear in all of those juices. You'll hear a really nice sizzle. Now use your meat mallet to smash it down. First you put a layer of wax paper, you'll use your spatula, and then you'll press this down evenly to create a nice thin smash burger.
Hey Google, set a timer 30 seconds.
30 seconds, and that's starting now.
Now let's add a little bit of our dressing to the raw side of the burger. That way when we flip it over, it'll caramelize right into the meat and really absorb those flavors for us. Now don't be shy to use a timer if you need to. These are thinner smash burgers. They're going to cook a lot faster. Ah, that sizzle is exactly what we want to hear. Now, if you have a bigger pan or a flat griddle, you're going to be able to cook more smash burgers at the same time. Now just let them cook. Don't touch them. Now let's really dress these up. Add some cheese. Add some bacon. Add more cheese. Oh my gosh, add more bacon. Uh-oh, let's add another layer of Smashburger. How about another slice of cheese on top of that? And for the win, our overeasy fried egg. Oh yes. Presentation is everything in your burger when we're assembling. Let's add a small amount of our mayo dressing to the bottom of the bun. That looks delicious. We'll garnish with some pickles. We'll add in 1 slice of our thin tomato, some of our shredded lettuce, and now for the star of the show, add our Smashburger and top it off with the top of the bun. Tonight, we are going to pair the Smashburger up with our sweet potato fries. That recipe can be found on our channel by clicking right here. So get yourself a piece of parchment paper, fold it in a triangle, fold it under one side, fold it under the other side, and then fold it from the bottom side under, and now you have no mess.
Okay, everybody, our Smashburger is done. It smells delicious. So as our recap in there, we've got our mixture of some yellow mustard, mayo, some onions and garlic that we grated in there. We added some chipotle hot sauce. We added it onto our meat while it was cooking on the raw side. And that way, when we flipped the meat over, it allowed our nice mayo to caramelize inside that meat. We added a little bit of salt and pepper. We added a lot of bacon, a lot of cheese. We added an egg over easy. Do we call this a Royale with cheese? I'm anxious to get in there. Anyways, give this one a try. I think you're gonna love it. Make the appointment with your doctor for the day after. But for now, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to Uncle Drew's channel. Let's get in this burger. This thing is gonna be good. I'm gonna smash. Oh my gosh. This could be the best burger, pardon me, that I've ever had. Wow. Oh, cut that camera. Wait, I'm the only camera person around here. I got a camera and I gotta eat. Oh boy. Oh, this is number one. I gotta pat Uncle Drew on the back for this one. Oh, this is a winner. This is just, do I have any more? Who's coming over? I put the SOS out and no one came over for this. Shocking. This is a great one tonight. Whew. Whew. Okay. Whew. Oh, baby, this is good. Smash it up. Smash.